At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow. Choosing the right tires for your vehicle and driving style is essential for your safety and comfort on the road. At Elite Auto Repair, we understand that different vehicles have unique tire requirements, and we're here to help you find the perfect fit. In case you encounter any issues with your tires, our skilled team is fully equipped to handle patching, balancing, and proper rotation. We ensure your tires wear evenly over time, providing you with a smoother and safer driving experience. Our commitment to you includes straightforward and transparent pricing, so you know exactly what to expect with no surprises. We guarantee to stand behind the products and services we sell, ensuring you get the best quality for your investment. Trust Elite Auto Repair to help you choose the right tires for your vehicle and experience the difference that expert tire services can make. Visit Elite Auto Repair for exceptional tire services and drive with confidence today.